back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be mostly non-phone. You'll be doing customer service through chat support. We're going to dive all in. The link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video if you're interested in putting that application in. Today's job is from the staffing agency Robert Half. They are hiring a chat support representative. Now, this is a contract temporary role, but it does have the potential to turn into a permanent role for the right person. They are hiring anywhere within the United States, and it pays anywhere from $18 to $19 an hour. Now, it specifically says they're looking to find someone to start immediately if you can type at least 50 words per minute, and it does state again, anybody in the U.S. will be considered for this job. Now, this job is working for a large university out of Minneapolis. It is an online university, so the chat representative is going to be primarily responsible for handling incoming chats from the University Visitor Center. The individual will provide prospective learners with information about and determine the level of interest with the goal of connecting the prospect with the most appropriate resources. So 80% of this job is going to be answering and communicating via chat. There is 20% that will be answering the phones, so that's why I have tagged this as mostly non-phone. As far as the 80% chat, you'll engage in incoming chats for both prospective and current students. You'll answer any questions and provide any general support that they have. You will have to manage multiple chats at one time, utilizing different tools, systems, and software applications. As far as the 20% that requires phone work, you'll have to determine the needs of the caller and provide an appropriate solution. You'll utilize the tool, systems, and software applications to do that. Now, they are looking for somebody to work a little bit of a different shift. They are looking for second shift 2:30 to 11 Monday through Thursday, and somebody who can work 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Friday. And it does say this is an open-ended position that could go permanent. Now, because this is working for a university, they are going to require somebody who has a bachelor degree or some kind of higher education experience. It looks like that degree can be in any field. Again, somebody who can type at least 50 words per minute, somebody who has great communication skills, can learn new technology easy, is a multitasker, and has experience with those Microsoft Office systems, Word, Excel, OneNote, PowerPoint, all of those things. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.